What's up, guys? This is Noel Study Abroad here again, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I bring you good news. Yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Now, the good news is Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program decided to give out fully funded scholarships to study in India. Yeah, they've decided to give fully funded scholarship to students from across the globe, wherever you are in this world, Africa, Middle East, the United States, anywhere you are in this world, you can apply for this scholarship. All right, and the good part of this scholarship is that you can study on site or virtually, which is online. Yeah, so you just have to go through your course program to know which is which. All right, you need to be careful in selecting the program and all that. All right, so guys, I'm gonna be doing two things in this video. First, I'm gonna be telling you every single thing I know about the scholarship, how to navigate through, and the second is to show you how to apply for this scholarship. I believe that's the most important part. Right, so guys, without wasting much of your time, I would like to tell you that for those of you that didn't apply for the ICSR scholarship, then this video is also for you. All right, so let's dive in straight into this video.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it.
The first thing I would like to do is to show you the streams that are available. You can see here we have accounts, audits, banking and finance courses. We also have agriculture, food and fertilizer. We have artificial intelligence. We have basic IT. We also have cyber technologies and AI and emergency technology. So like I said before, we have accounts, audits, banking and finance. So if you want to be an auditor, you can just apply for this program. Yeah, and like this is a very good program. All right, so you guys don't have to joke with this, right? This is not like the scholarships, yeah. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you some programs in artificial intelligence. Now, one thing you should know is most of these programs are already closed. Yeah, because the scholarship opened in the last week of April, and I didn't upload this video at that time because I was pretty much occupied. All right, so I'm very sorry about that, but thank God you're seeing this video now. So as soon as we are done with this, as soon as you're done watching this video, make sure you apply. All right, now this one is already completed. It is a certificate course in big data and machine learning with Python using Azure. Yeah, and the ones that are open, let's check those ones. We need to be fast, I don't want to waste your time. So the first one we have here, which is currently open, is specialized training program in AI, future of social media, and the program runs from the 14th of May till the 27th of May, and it is offered by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Mohali, and it is open for participants from all countries here. Now the next one we have here is quantum computing, a deep dive concepts application, and it runs from the 2nd of July to the 15th of July 2025, and it's also offered by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing. We also have a lot of them that are currently open. We have a lot. Now I'm gonna be going to engineering and technology, and I'm gonna be making the application tutorial from there. So I'll just go to engineering and technology. Yeah, let me show you some courses there. Okay, we have specialized training program in digital health. It runs from 14th of May to 27th of May. It is also taught by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing and is open for all countries. And the next one here we have is Mastering Technology Transfer, a global pathway for developing countries, and the duration is 2nd of June to 13th of June, and it is offered by the International Crops Research Institute for the semi-arid tropics. Okay, and this is for all countries. Now I'm gonna be using the specialized training program in digital health for the tutorial. All right, so the first thing you want to do when you see the program you like, the first thing you want to do is to click on the download button over here, which is the brochure. You need to know what you want to study. You need to see your course outline and all that. Okay, so I would click on download. It will be downloading a PDF for you. Yeah, and you can see specialized training program in digital health, which is for 2 weeks. Now guys, the sweetest part of this scholarship is that you don't have to study to get a degree. They are short programs. You can just go to India, study for 2 weeks and have fun and return. That is the sweetest part. It is like an avenue for people to explore another country, to get the feeling of another country, you get. And it's also a good opportunity to travel, to migrate to another country. You can use this opportunity to move out from your country, like to change your residence. It is a very good opportunity. Now just imagine going over there to study for just 2 weeks, and you'll be getting a certificate also within this time frame, and you'll be exploring the country. You'll be getting the scholarship benefits. Guys, you don't have to miss out on this. Now this is the course content. You'll be seeing everything you're going to study, everything, yeah. And you also get the summary. So once you are done reading that, you save it somewhere. Sorry, this is how the site behaves. Anytime you see such a thing, you just refresh and it will come back to where you were before. Yeah, so we were looking at specialized training program in digital health. After you download, you have to click on apply, which is the green button. So guys, I have to explain something to you all, okay? Now before applying, you have to read the instructions, right? Now they are saying that the applicants are required to apply for ITEC training program by filling up the application form and taking a print out of the filled form. And this form is to be submitted to the nodal or designated government department or agency of the applicant's country. Then the nodal is in turn required to forward the applications to the Embassy or High Commission of India, accredited currently accredited to the nominating country, along with undertaking by candidate and certification from employer, which is the part 2 of the application form. Yeah, and candidates may take out printout of application and later check the status of the application by logging in at the website, which is the portal, yeah, we are currently on. All right, now let me just explain this long statement here. What you're saying is, immediately you are done with the application, once you've submitted the application, you would download the completed application form. All right, you would download it, and once you download it, you would take that file to a cyber cafe and get it printed out in hard copy. Yeah, so you take that hard copy to the nodal or designated government department or agency of your country. Now they didn't list out these agencies. That's the downside here. They didn't mention those agencies, but you can do your research. Just search for the nodal or designated agency for ITEC in your country, and if you can't find that, I will definitely make a video on this here to clarify your doubts. Okay, I'll make a video on how to find your nodal. All right, then once you submit it to the nodal will forward it to the embassy. They will forward the application to the embassy. Yeah, that's what they are doing, and they will also forward it along with your undertaking and certification from the employer, which is in the part 2 of the application form. Yeah, so the nodal or designated department or agency will be the ones to forward your applications to the embassy or High Commission of India in your country. All right, and they are submitting it along with your undertaking and certification from employer, which is the part 2 of the application form. Yeah, so the downside here is they didn't tell us about the nodal. They didn't say anything concerning that, but I will update you guys. Yeah, later on I will update you guys. I'll make a video on that, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section. All right, and candidates may take printout of application and later check the status of the application by logging in. So once you're done with all this process, you would also keep a copy for yourself, a copy of the printout, and you would keep on checking the status of your application. All right, the difference between this scholarship and the ICCR scholarship is that for the ICCR, students were asked to submit direct to the embassy, but in this scholarship there's a middleman, which is the nodal. That's just the difference. All right, so now once you're done reading the instruction, you have to select your nationality. So I'm Nigerian. I will just click on Nigeria. Then after that, you click on proceed, but you have to read through this also. This is very important. They said normally candidates are required to apply for ITEC scholarship through respective Indian missions. After filling the online form, its printout is sent to the Indian mission for processing through the local government with its recommendation. However, in certain cases, applications are also received through partner multilateral organizations agency. In case you intend to apply through these multilateral organizations, please select it here and submit your printed application to that organization / agency only. Else, please keep that checkbox unchecked. So just leave it unchecked because it's not even working. So just leave it and follow the right procedure. So before you click on proceed, you'd see something like in case of assistance. Now this is your help desk. For all countries, a help desk personnel was assigned. Yeah, they assigned help desk personnel for each country. So this is for Nigeria. You can see the telephone number, the country code is there. Yeah, it's there, and his email is also there. So if you have questions, you can just ask him. Just call this number or you email this number. I think it is a good start in knowing your know-how. So if you have any question, just call this number and they will respond. So the next thing I want to do is proceed to the registration form. So I'll just click on proceed. And here, the first page of the registration form is your personal details. Here you have to fill out your personal details and yeah, just a few things about yourself. Then you also have to input your passport number, the issue date, the place of issuance, the expiry date and all that. You'd also have to fill out your residence, where you stay. You also have to fill out your official contact details and your personal / family contact details. So I'll just click on education and profession details. I'll just click on that, and here you'd see educational qualifications. Now you have to include your qualifications from the recent to the oldest. All right, so once you include the first one, to add the next one you just click on the plus icon here, the blue plus icon, and add as many as you want. That's how it's done. So if your recent qualification is a BSc, you include that here. BSc in whatever field, you include it here, and the year you got that qualification and the institute name. Then for your professional qualification, you also include it. This can be a program you did outside school, or a short-term program, or a vocational training, anything outside school that give you a certificate or anything of that sort. Just add it here, right? Then the next thing is the employment details. You fill out your employment details, and here you would include your reason for applying. This field is for the motivation. It's just like a statement of purpose, motivation letters, letter of intent, stuff like that. You just have to motivate them, tell them why you are applying and why you feel you are eligible for this scholarship and why they should award you with the scholarship. It's very easy, guys. If you are having troubles writing a motivation letter, just check the description. I have some links there on how to guide you, right? Then once you are done with that, you go over to medical details. Here you include your height, your weight, and blood group. Next thing I want to do is to click on next, and after clicking on next, you'll be moving on to the preview details page. Here on this page, you have to cross-check every single information you've imputed on this registration form. You'd have to check if it corresponds. Like here you can see, you would see your name here. Once you fill out your name, you would see your gender. Every single thing you imputed on this form would be displayed right here on this table. You would see everything you filled out here, and you have to confirm, and if everything is okay, you have to click on next. And after clicking on next, you'll be coming over to this page where you will impute your password, because initially there was no password required of you. But this is the part where you impute your password and retype it over here, just to certify that you applied for this program. It's like an undertaking. So once you do that, you click on I certify. Once you input your password, you click on I certify, you check the box. Then after that, you also have to impute the text you see on this box. This is a captcha, so you have to write down the text you see there with the numbers. Here we have 2M4374. So once you've done that, let me show you. You just type it out, 4374, and once you're done, you click on submit details, and voila, you've submitted application. That's just it for this scholarship. It's a very easy application form. Yeah, unlike the SCCRU scholarship application form was a bit complex, but this one is very easy. So guys, just follow my lead and just follow every single thing I ask you to do in this video. Just follow every single step, and if you have questions, you can always ask me in the comment section and I'll reply to that comment. Yeah, right. Okay guys, that's just it for this video. If you got value from this video, if this video was helpful to you, do well to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video, so you be one of the first persons to watch the video. And make sure you share the video with your friends so they also benefit from this wonderful opportunity. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.